In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country setting in Temu. Whether you're traveling, have moved permanently, or simply want to explore different content available in other regions, changing your country setting can be a game changer. Don't worry if this sounds tricky at first. I'm here to guide you through it step by step, and it's actually quite straightforward once you know how to do it. To get started, you'll want to head over to your Temu profile. Once there, look for the option that mentions country or region and language. This setting is typically under your account settings or perhaps on the main profile page depending on the version of the app or website you're using. It's the key to making geographical adjustments necessary to your account. Now, after you've found this section, look for a drop-down menu next to the word Country. This drop-down is where all the available countries will be listed. Go ahead and click on the drop-down menu, and you should see a list of countries appear before you. This is your opportunity to select the country you need. Simply scroll through the list and click the name of your preferred country. Choosing your country should immediately update the settings. But if you find that changes aren't taking effect right away, consider refreshing the page or restarting the app. Sometimes a brief restart can help solidify these changes, ensuring your browsing or app usage reflects your new location. While it might seem simple, changing your country or region can have various implications. For instance, you may notice different features, content availability, or even changes in language settings, depending on the country you choose. This is because certain features may only be available in specific regions, so it's something worth considering as you explore different country options. If at any point you feel unsure or your experience doesn't match what was described, don't hesitate to consult the help section provided within Temu. They can provide additional guidance for more complex issues or updates that haven't been covered here. Alternatively, checking out online forums or Temu's official customer support can offer more personalized assistance if needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to change the country setting in Temu. It's a powerful tool that opens up a world of new content and possibilities, enhancing your experience based on your current location. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to reach out if you have any further questions or need more tutorials.